The trunk is open.
The trunk is open. We're this big trunk in our Lexus LS430. We are going on a trip, and I'm just going to show you how big this trunk is and how much you can fit into one of these trunks. So we'll keep our cooler at the front because we're going in there quite a bit. We're heading to the mountains. We're taking our family, including the dog, all of our things.
3 nights, 4 days.
3 nights, 4 days.
And the idea is, do you need an SUV in this world?
Do you need an SUV in this world? I mean, people would say yes. Everybody needs an SUV.
You pack well.
Thank you. But I would say you don't need an SUV.
But you do need the toilet seat for the 2-year-old.
You do need that, yes. You need a toilet seat at the front, because that will be used a lot.
It's pretty good so far.
And then, swim vest, more coats. You know.
What the heck do you have down here?
Well,
I see you're bringing the groceries for the week.
yeah. That fits. Fits. Not enough groceries.
See, why I wanted to do this was so that you packed and I just stood around and watched. That's the secret here.
Ah, is that what it is?
Yeah. I think you did a good job of packing. Look at how much.
Look, and we still have all this space.
Well, we're quickly running out of space, but God forbid we need the spare tire in the bottom.
Why not?
All right. All right. I'll get the last thing here. This very important. The umbrella.
The umbrella.
Yes, we'll need the umbrella for the
Never
two.
know. We need the umbrella. And look, we still have room to spare.
Oh, right. We still have this over here. Need our hats.
Hats, yes.
All right, just in case.
In case.
The dog leash. No, we need that out. Oh, this goes inside. Oh, there we go. Poop bags
Oh, yes, we need those.
and dog food. Oh, you know what I almost forgot? Oh, Lordy.
Big bag of dog food.
Yeah, it's a big dog.
I think we really need
Okay.
all that.
He doesn't need all that, but that's what we're going to put in.
Well, why not? We have the space.
Dog brings more food than we do. Lord, what were we thinking? Okay.
I think we're good. We have coats, we have hoodies. For every occasion, we're going to the mountains, so you never know what the weather's going to be like.
It's cold in the morning and warm in the evening or in the afternoon.
There we go. Kid stuff, dad stuff, mom stuff, dog stuff. All in the
Back when
trunk.
sedans ruled the world. Now you know why. Look at that.
Look at that. We're ready.
We're ready. Now we're going to show you when the kids get in.
Okay.
Don't slam it.
You did it. Good job.
Good dog. All right. Now the dog wants to get in. Okay. Let the dog in.
Yep.
Okay. Go on in, Floyd. Okay. Go on in, Mara.
Are you excited?
It's a little packed. All right. Mara, you want to show me where you put all your stuff before you put on your seatbelt? Let me see. We have your stuffies stuffed in there, right? Uh-huh. What do you have in here?
Snacks kitty.
Last kitty. Oh, you have a thing hanging from the ceiling?
Stuff back there.
You have more stuff back there. All right. Headphones, whatever. Can I close the door?
Yeah.
Okay. And then around we, of course, have the dog. Mary Grace, you all comfortable?
Yeah.
Look at how much room you guys have. Ooh. And even Floyd. That is a packed car. Mom, good packing job.
Yep.
All right. Who needs an SUV? Waiting in line at Starbucks. There's the mileage before the trip. 437,453 kilometers. That's about a 500K journey today.